any profession where the main output is words is going away very time soon, or at least gets decimated. So perhaps the best analogy to think of is agriculture in the 1920s. We used to have 30% of the US population working in agriculture in 1920 and 3% of the US population working in agriculture by 1930. So 27% of the entire US population basically had to find something else to do because their job was now done by tractors. It's not that agriculture workers disappeared. We still have them, just far fewer. So any profession where the output is words or images or video, they have to really figure out how to be a part of the 10% that stay and just become much more efficient, and not a part of the 90% that need to find something else to do. Unless they want to do something else, and then maybe it's great that now they have the impetus to do that. Every item that is really powerful can be used for good things or for bad. A knife can be used to make a salad or to stab someone. And AI just takes things to another level where now you have this model in your pocket where you could ask it, how do I make a pipe bomb? And if there are no guardrails on the AI, it will tell you. You could ask it, how do I design a more efficient plague? And if there are no guardrails, it will tell you. And there are DNA printers right now in many labs in the world where you can actually print a new bacteria based on that answer. So we have to be really careful with what AI is able to do for various people, because bad actors will try to use it for nefarious purposes. Now, am I worried about AI itself deciding that its goal is to wipe out humanity? No, but we have enough humans that are pretty close to that realization already. And so I'm worried about what humans might do first. If we survive the stage at which humans with AI are able to do bad things, then maybe we'll get to worry about what AI might do of its own volition. I'm not that worried about it yet.